Scene script. Picture this. A land of crisp air and breathtaking landscapes where nature paints a tapestry of colors so vivid it leaves you spellbound. Welcome to Scotland. Unfurling before us is a realm where the earth and sky meet in a symphony of natural grandeur. Scotland, a land steeped in ancient history and rich culture, is a canvas upon which Mother Nature herself has meticulously crafted every detail. It's a place where the whispers of the past blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the present, and every corner you turn, every hill you climb, unveils a new spectacle of beauty and wonder. Imagine the rolling Scottish highlands, a sea of green and gold undulating under clear blue skies. Their beauty is not just in their sweeping grandeur, but in the intricate tapestry of life that thrives within. From the smallest wildflower to the mightiest stag, every element adds a unique thread to the weave of the highlands. Picture the serene lochs, their still surfaces reflecting the grandeur of the surrounding hills and valleys like mirrors set into the landscape. These tranquil bodies of water are the lifeblood of Scotland, their cool depths teeming with life and their shores echoing with the calls of diverse wildlife. Envision the vibrant cities where modern life vibrates against a backdrop of ancient stone and history. These bustling hubs of civilization are as much a part of the Scottish landscape as the mountains and glens, each with its own unique rhythm and energy. And finally, the mountains. The majestic peaks that stand as silent guardians over the land, their rugged surfaces a testament to the timeless power of nature. These are the giants of Scotland, their towering forms visible from miles around, a constant reminder of the country's wild and untamed spirit. As we embark on this journey, remember that Scotland is not just a location but a feeling, a heartbeat that pulses through the land and its people. It's a symphony of elements, each playing its part in creating the mesmerizing beauty that is Scotland. Journey with us as we explore the enchanting landscapes, the serene valleys, the lively rivers, and the majestic mountains of this exquisite country. Scotland's valleys, the emerald arteries of this land, are a sight to behold. These verdant veins pulse with the rhythm of the land, breathing life into every corner of this majestic country. Imagine, if you will, the serenity of a Scottish valley, the lush greenery enveloping you, the gentle rustling of leaves whispering ancient tales, the distant hum of a babbling brook playing a soothing melody. In these valleys you'll find a rich tapestry of life. Stags roam freely, their majestic antlers silhouetted against the verdant backdrop. Herds of Highland cattle with their shaggy coats and long horns graze placidly, undisturbed by the world beyond. Birds of all shapes and sizes flit and flutter amidst the foliage, their various songs weaving a harmonious symphony in the air. And if you're fortunate, you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive red squirrel, a vibrant dash of russet against the green. But it's not just the wildlife that makes Scotland's valleys special. It's the tranquility, the sense of peace that settles over you when you're there. Time seems to slow down, and the worries of the world fade away, replaced by the calming rhythm of nature. The air is clean and crisp, every breath a revitalizing elixir. The scent of damp earth mingles with the aroma of fresh pine, creating a fragrance that's uniquely Scottish. Every valley is a world unto itself, each with its own character and charm. From the rolling hills of the lowlands to the rugged terrain of the highlands, these valleys are as diverse as they are beautiful. Some are filled with wildflowers, creating a riot of color against the green. Others are dotted with ancient stone circles, silent witnesses to the passage of time. These valleys, a testament to Scotland's verdant charm, are a sanctuary for the soul. They tell a story of resilience, of harmony with nature, of a land that's steeped in history and tradition. And as you immerse yourself in their beauty, you can't help but feel a profound connection with the earth, a sense of belonging that transcends borders and boundaries. These valleys are more than just landscapes. They are the green heart of Scotland. From the tranquil valleys we move to the pulsating veins of Scotland, its rivers. Scotland's rivers are more than just bodies of water. They are the veins that infuse life into the heart of this nation. They weave a tapestry of tales, flowing from the highlands to the lowlands, from the mountains to the sea, nurturing life at every turn. Imagine the River Tay, Scotland's longest river, a liquid highway that courses through the heart of the country. Its clear waters, teeming with a myriad of species, are a testament to the richness of Scotland's biodiversity. From salmon leaping upstream to otters playfully chasing the currents, the Tay brings a sense of wonder and vitality to the landscape. And then there's the River Spey, famed for its pure, fast-flowing waters, a haven for wildlife, and a lifeline for Scotland's whiskey industry. The Spey's crystal-clear waters are integral to crafting Scotland's world-renowned spirits, lending them their unique character and flavor. But the rivers of Scotland are not just about life and industry, they are also about leisure and recreation. Whether it's peaceful fishing in the River Tweed or exhilarating whitewater rafting in the River Orkney, these waterways offer a wealth of experiences, capturing the spirit of adventure that is so intrinsic to Scotland. The importance of these rivers extends beyond their banks. They play a crucial role in shaping Scotland's environment, creating fertile floodplains, carving out dramatic gorges, and feeding the lochs that dot the Scottish landscape. They are the architects of the country's breathtaking scenery, painting a picture of natural beauty that changes with every bend. These rivers, however, are not just a spectacle to behold. They are a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature. They are a testament to the resilience of the ecosystem and the interconnectedness of life. They teach us about adaptation, survival, and coexistence. And so, as we journey through Scotland, we realize that these rivers are more than just waterways. They are the threads that weave the story of Scotland. The lifelines that sustain its heartbeat, the arteries that carry its life force from the mountains to the sea. These rivers, brimming with life and vitality, are the lifeblood of Scotland's landscapes. From the lively rivers, we ascend to the silent sentinels of Scotland, its towering mountains. These grand formations have stood the test of time, their rugged peaks reaching towards the heavens, a testament to the enduring strength of nature. Each mountain in Scotland tells a tale, a story etched in stone, shaped by the relentless forces of wind, rain, and time. They are the epitome of resilience, having witnessed centuries of change, yet remaining steadfast and unyielding. Scotland's mountains are not just static sculptures, they are dynamic landscapes that shift and transform with the seasons. In winter they don a blanket of snow, their icy peaks glistening in the crisp sunlight. As spring arrives, they shed their winter coat, revealing a canvas of verdant green. During summer they bask under the golden sun, their rocky faces warmed by its gentle rays. As autumn descends, they wear a cloak of crimson and gold, a fiery spectacle against the cool Scottish sky. These mountains are more than just physical landmarks, they are a sanctuary for the soul. They offer a place of tranquility, a retreat from the hustle and bustle of the modern world. As one ascends their slopes, the noise of daily life fades away, replaced by the whisper of the wind and the gentle rustle of leaves. The air grows cooler, cleaner, filled with the scent of earth and stone. From their towering heights one can behold the breathtaking expanse of Scotland. The rolling green valleys, the shimmering rivers, the quaint villages nestled in the landscape, all these come into view, a panorama of natural beauty. The mountains also provide a habitat for a diverse range of wildlife. From the nimble mountain hare to the majestic golden eagle, these creatures have adapted to the harsh conditions, thriving amidst the rocky terrain. These mountains, standing tall and proud, are the majestic guardians of Scotland's natural beauty. They are a symbol of Scotland's resilience and strength, a testament to the enduring power of nature. And as long as they stand, Scotland's beauty will continue to captivate and inspire. As if Scotland's landscapes were not mesmerizing enough, they take on a new charm with each changing season. Spring unfurls with a riot of color, as the bare branches of trees are adorned with fresh, vibrant leaves. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, a sensory symphony that heralds the end of winter's reign. The valleys, once blanketed in snow, now brim with the promise of new life. The Scottish wildflowers, like the bluebells and the primroses, transform the forest floors into a colorful carpet, creating a picturesque spectacle that leaves one in awe. As spring transitions into summer, the landscapes are bathed in the warm glow of the sun. The emerald green of the hills seems to shimmer under the daylight. The lochs, reflecting the clear blue sky, become a mirror of the heavens themselves. The Highland cattle, with their shaggy coats and long horns, graze lazily in the pastures, a scene that is quintessentially Scottish. Autumn, however, is when Scotland truly shines. The leaves turn from green to shades of gold, orange, and red, creating a kaleidoscope of fall colors. The crisp air carries the scent of damp earth and fallen leaves, a distinct aroma that is synonymous with autumn. It's a time of harvest when the fields are ripe with barley and wheat, a sight that is as beautiful as it is bountiful. And then comes winter, transforming the landscapes once again. The mountains wear a cloak of pristine white snow, their peaks piercing the clear, icy blue sky. The rivers and lochs freeze over, their once rippling surfaces now smooth as glass. The silence of winter is profound, a peaceful solitude that envelops the land. Every season paints a new picture, adding to the endless charm of Scotland's landscapes. The beauty of Scotland is not static but ever-changing, each season bringing its own unique allure. And with every change, Scotland continues to captivate and enchant, a testament to its timeless appeal. Adding melody to Scotland's picturesque landscapes is its diverse wildlife. From the highlands to the lowlands, the moors to the forests, an array of creatures calls this land home. Each species, unique in its own way, contributes to the harmony of Scotland's natural world. In the heart of the Scottish Highlands, the red deer is a sight to behold. As the largest land mammal in Britain, their echoing roars during the rutting season is a performance that reverberates across the valleys. Their majestic antlers, a testament to their strength and resilience, add a touch of grandeur to the landscape. Hidden among the heather, mountain hares blend seamlessly into the landscape. Their coats, a snowy white in winter and brown in summer, are a living calendar marking the changing seasons. Quick and agile, their hop is a rhythmic note in the symphony of Scotland's wildlife. In the skies above, golden eagles rule the roost. With a wingspan that can reach over 6 feet, these magnificent birds are the maestros of the air. Their graceful flight, a dance in the sky, is a spectacle that leaves one in awe of their power and beauty. Down by the rivers, otters play a playful tune. Known for their playful antics, their splashing and diving is a lively interlude in the otherwise serene riverside. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, a testament to Scotland's commitment to conservation. In the dense forests, the Scottish wildcat, often referred to as the Highland tiger, prowls with a quiet intensity. Elusive and solitary, their silent movements are the subtle undertones in the orchestration of Scotland's wildlife. Each creature, in its own unique way, plays a part in the melody of Scotland's natural world. Their lives, intertwined with the land they inhabit, form a beautiful symphony that echoes across the valleys, rivers, and mountains. Scotland's wildlife, a symphony of life in the midst of nature's grandeur. As daylight fades, Scotland's landscapes take on a celestial charm. The magic of the night sky in Scotland is a spectacle that is as breathtaking as it is serene. It is a stage where the stars come out to play, each one twinkling with a story of its own, and the moon, in its radiant glory, watches over the land like a silent guardian. The Scottish night sky is an artist's palette, dappled with hues of midnight blue and studded with brilliant stars. Each night this celestial canvas is painted anew, offering a unique spectacle to anyone who takes a moment to look up. It's a sight that makes you feel small, yet connected to the universe in a profound way. The stars that sprinkle the night sky are like distant torchlights, each one a beacon from a far-off world. They create a sense of mystery, a wonder that sparks curiosity and fuels our imagination. Some nights, you might even be lucky enough to witness a shooting star, a fleeting streak of light that leaves a trail of awe in its wake. Then there's the moon, the night's most prominent character. It bathes the landscapes in a soft silvery glow, creating an ethereal atmosphere that is both calming and captivating. On a clear night you can see the moon in all its splendor, its craters and valleys etched against the dark sky, a sight that is as mesmerizing as it is humbling. The night sky in Scotland is a symphony of celestial wonders. It's a tranquil spectacle that unfolds each evening, inviting us to pause, to reflect, and to marvel at the beauty of the cosmos. It's a reminder of how vast the universe is, and yet how interconnected everything truly is. Under Scotland's night sky, the landscapes take a rest, ready to mesmerize us again at dawn. As the stars fade and the moon makes its descent, we are left with a sense of peace, a sense of wonder, and a longing for the next nightfall, when the celestial spectacle will begin anew. From its lush valleys and lively rivers to its towering mountains and celestial night skies, Scotland's landscapes are a feast for the senses. Let's take a moment to bask in the afterglow of the journey we've just embarked upon, a journey through Scotland's mesmerizing beauty. The sights, sounds, and sensations of this land have a way of etching themselves into the soul, don't they? We started our journey in the green heart of Scotland, where the emerald valleys roll on for miles, cloaked in a verdant blanket that seems to stretch into eternity. The sight is so captivating it can make one forget the passage of time, lost in the vast expanse of green. Then, we followed the lifelines of this land, the rivers. They're more than just bodies of water, they're the veins of Scotland, carrying life and vibrancy through its heartland. The rivers, with their ceaseless flow and gentle whispers, add a melody to the Scottish landscape that's as soothing as it is invigorating. From there we stood in the shadow of the majestic guardians of Scotland, the mountains. Their towering peaks, shrouded in mist and mystery, command awe and respect. They stand as silent sentinels, watching over the land and its inhabitants with a quiet dignity that's truly humbling. We then experienced the changing seasons of Scotland. Each season, with its unique palette and mood, paints a different picture of the land, making each visit a new experience. The vibrant colors of autumn, the pristine white of winter, the fresh bloom of spring, and the warm hues of summer, all weave their own tales of Scotland. We also listened to the symphony of Scotland's wildlife. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the roar of a stag, all these sounds create a symphony that's music to the ears. This orchestra of nature is a reminder of the abundance of life that thrives in Scotland. And finally, we were enchanted by the magic of Scotland's night sky. The celestial bodies that light up the Scottish sky, the stars and the northern lights, put on a spectacular show that's nothing short of magical. Scotland, a land of enchanting landscapes where nature puts on a show like no other.